Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Let's take another look at XRP, see what's going on. Just going to jump into the important, the meat and potatoes. The good news is we have a tremendous amount of volume, basically. More volume now flowing in above our moving average. That's super important. We're tentatively breaking above our 200-day SMA. I want to emphasize we're tentative because the 232 has proven to be a significant resistance zone for us here. So until we break above that, it's maybe best not to try to be a breakout trader. However, once more, most altcoins are doing well. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. These are all very positive signs, especially for XRP. So let's take a look at the back end liquidation data and get you on your way. And in the meantime, just want to say thank you again for being an amazing part of my life. You want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is the site. Link down below. I've got a trading academy, community, and signals group. So when we look at here, we can see 233 upwards of 236 is that local area. So a lot of shorts are kind of hedged there, trying to short that double top because we can see that retest that area. I would be careful doing so because with the liquidation on the macro here being so high up towards about 240, there's a solid chance we see a run towards that level here soon. Okay, and a lot of that hinges on the fact that Bitcoin dominance is pulling back. It's also liquidation long delta is super high right now. We got $500 million in liquidation long delta. That's a pretty significant margin for XRP. We look at open interest too. This last 7 days of open interest, a lot of people are accumulating at 230 to 232. So more support below the price, emphasizing the price action to continue higher up. Daily time frame, just quickly note here, we're above two of the three most important moving averages. So the 20 and the 50 are below the price, hanging out at that 228 range. And then we got our resistance roughly at 236 to 240. And there's also resistance, or more important, local fib levels at 245. We'll bridge that gap later. I think 240 is probably the likely next target though. When we look at our indicators or oscillators on the daily, looking pretty solid. We're starting to see a slight stochastic swing here, but I don't put too much emphasis on that when everything else is bullish and we have high volume. 4-hour time frame is also reflective of the same thing. That resistance at roughly 232, closing above 232 today should incentivize the price to go higher. Furthermore, we can see all moving averages, stochastic swinging up, MACD converging. These are all very good signs here, letting us know that further upside is greater. So from a technical analysis perspective, XRP has more reasons to go higher. Right? From a manipulation standpoint, it's hard to say specifically. It could pull back, but we have a lot of support in the 228 to 230 range. I think we're going to hold that level. So that's kind of where we're at there. Join us over on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord as well if it's better for you, or maybe a better way to engage. Obviously, you can jump on over there and communicate with me if you want. Same thing as well here. Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required. Take advantage of this exclusive offer between now and the 18th of June. Hope you all have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you soon.